Welcome to HomeLearns class. In this class, I will teach you about the relations. As in the previous class, there was a brief discussion about the relations and functions, what makes relation, what makes function, what is the set. And there were some terms also domain, codomain, range, set, etc. Now in this class, I will fully explain the relations, and in the next class I will fully explain the functions one by one. So what is the relation? Let's consider a set. Let's do it with the help of the example. It is an ordered pairs of two sets such that one element is of A set and another element of B set. That is the relation. Now consider if we have two sets as given in your book also, A, B, C is a set. Another set is Q. Q set is forename Ali, Bhanu, Bino, and Chandra and Divya. There is 3 elements in set A and there are 5 elements in set B. So we can say that P and Q has 15 ordered pairs. P and Q. It means cross product. These have 15 ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Why? Because of Cartesian product, there are 3 elements in it, there are 5 elements in it, then 3 into 5 is 15. Or we have a formula N, P cross Q is equal to N, P and Q. So N P is 3 and Q is 5. This becomes 15. So we can calculate with the help of this method. So there are two sets P and Q. P and Q has 15 ordered pairs, which can be listed as, or you can list all the ordered pairs such that A, Ali, A, Bhanu, A, Vinod, and so on, going on, and till the end with the help of C, Divya. All are the 15 pairs would become like this. We can obtain a subset from this also Cartesian product. Okay. Now let's consider it with the help of a diagram also. This is the Q, this is the P, A, B, C, Ali, B, Bhanu, Binoy, Chandra, and Divya. Okay, this is the Q. So how a relation can be established? This is a P cross Q is said. These are the elements of Cartesian product PQ. Then if we introduce a relation between P and Q, and we introduce a relation that the first element and second element, such that the name of the first letter of elements of Q is the same as the element in P. So relation is established such that R is equal to XY is such that X is the first letter of Y, and X belongs to R, Y belongs to Q. This is the relation. A relation is established between this, that is the ordered pairs. So A to Ali, B to Binoy, and B to Bhanu, and C to Chandra. This relation can be shown with the arrow diagram also. So we can, from this P and Q set, we reach on a conclusion that a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset, is a subset, the Cartesian is a subset of Cartesian product A, B. We know that the Cartesian product has element A, Ali, B, Bhanu, A, Binoy, A, Chandra, A, Divya. Then B, Ali, B, this, and B, Divya. And then C, C, C. And here the relation would become like this. A, Ali, B, Bhanu, B, Binoy, C, Chandra. We reach on a conclusion that the relation of two sets, set A and set B, these set must be non-empty. Then their relation would be a subset of Cartesian product of both of the sets P and Q, or A and B. I hope you understand it very well. The first element, the subset is derived between first element and the second element ordered pair. The second element is the image of the first element. Then the set of all first element in a relation from a set A to a set B is called domain. The first element is called domain. It's called the domain. Set of all second elements, set A to B, is called the range. Range. And set B is called the codomain of the relation R. So a relation can be represented in set builder form, in the roster form, or with the help of the arrow diagram or the visual representation, as the set can be represented. Now let's understand it more clearly with the help of the example. There is a set A. A set has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation from A to A. A to A, we have to define the relation from A to A. This is the only set. and relation. How to define it? That R x y is the element such that y is equal to x plus 1. Define a relation from A to A by a relation x y such that y is equal to x1. How this depict this relation using an arrow diagram? Write down the domain, codomain, and range of this. Okay. First of all, definition of the relation. How this relation will become? A is given, relation from A to A, then R would be like this. 1, x is 1, then y is 1 plus 1, 2. Because x is 1, then y becomes 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. X is 2, then y becomes 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2, 3, then 3, 4. I hope you understand it well. 4, 5, 5, 6, and 6, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 6, 7. That's all about this, the definition of the relation. The corresponding arrow in the diagram show this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is 2, 1. Only 1 to 6. Hence, we will not include this. So, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. But A is only up to 6. One A relation is A to A. Another A will also be 6. So we will calculate this till 6 only. So 1 to 5, this with the help of the diagram. We have shown it with the help of the diagram. Now write down the domain, codomain, and range. What is the domain? Domain is the first element of the relation. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the domain, and range is the second element. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the codomain is the A, set B. That's all about the question or the examples. I hope you understand the relation with the help of this diagram completely. Now there is a figure given in your chapter like this. The figure is like this. There are two sets, P and Q. There are two sets, P and Q. And figure is like this: 9, 4, 25 is the element of P, 5, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 3, minus 5. These are the elements of Q. It is given in the figure. You have to show the this relation in set builder form. Set builder form. How we would represent it in the set builder form? Nine, 4 is 2, and 25 is how we will write this in the set builder form. In the set builder form, we will write as R is a relation. Relation is such that X, Y R is equal to X, Y is such that X is the square of Y. X is the square of Y, and X belongs to P, Y belongs to Q. This is the set builder form because X is the P's element is the square of Q. And in the roster form, we can write it as in the roster form 9, 3, 9, 3, 9 minus 3, 4, 2, 4 minus 2, 5, 5, 5 minus 5. We would write this in the roster form also. What is the domain and range? Domain of the set is domain is 4, 9, and 25. And the range is minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 5, 5. Okay. So set Q is the codomain of this relation. Set Q is the codomain of this relation. And here 1 is also given, but 1 is not related to anybody. Hence, it doesn't come in the categories of the range or domain because it is not related to anybody. So I hope you understood this very well. Today, in this class and in previous class, we have studied fully about the relations and functions. In the previous class, I taught about the functions, relations, domain, codomain, range, etc. In this particular, I taught you about the relations, and I tried to understand you with the help of some examples. In the next class, I will solve for you the exercise 2.2. Till then, keep watching HomeLearns videos. Thank you.